Feed the solid waste into the hopper. Raw materials enter the conveyor belt after proportioning through the dosing machine. Then it is conveyed to the binder hopper, and the binder is then dosed. After adding the binder, it passes through the conveyor belt into the first mixing. Add the appropriate amount of water to the end of the mixer. Go to the second mixing. Make the raw materials, binder and water mix well. After mixing, it enters into the briquetting machine through the conveyor belt. Cold briquetting. The wet briquettes pass through the conveyor belt into the dryer. Then transferred to the finished product workshop. End of production process.